Want your child's money to grow? This video shows you how to open a bank or investment account for your child in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the USA with the steps, documents, banks, and an easy savings plan to start today. We'll cover early saving benefits, account types, regional requirements, banks, how to open an account, and a ready-to-use savings example. Starting an account for your child builds money habits and gives time for compound interest to work. Even small monthly deposits can grow surprisingly big over years. A dedicated account also protects funds for education, emergencies, or special goals, and it teaches responsibility. Beyond saving, this builds your child's financial confidence, teaching them to track money, set goals, and see how early saving grows value and good habits. Junior savings accounts are low risk, easy to open, with small minimums and sometimes offer a debit card. Great for pocket money and early habits, safe and simple but with lower returns than investments. Custodial accounts, UGMA/UTMA in the US, let an adult manage investments for a child, including stocks and mutual funds, for potentially higher long-term returns. The child gains control at adulthood. In the US, 529 plans are tax-advantaged accounts for education. Contributions grow tax-free, and withdrawals are tax-free when used for qualified education expenses. If you're focused specifically on college or trade school, a 529 is one of the strongest options. In Jamaica and the Caribbean, there are managed investment plans and mutual funds for long-term savings. These can offer better returns than a basic savings account but usually require higher minimums and carry investment risk. Check fees, lock-in periods, and expected returns. In Jamaica, you'll commonly need the child's birth certificate, the parent's or guardian's photo ID, and TRNs for both in many cases. Banks may ask for proof of address for the adult, a passport for the child if available, and a small opening deposit. Investment firms may also ask for proof of source of funds. In the wider Caribbean, requirements are similar: child birth certificate, guardian ID, passport in some islands, proof of address, and minimum deposit. Each bank or island may have small differences, always call ahead to confirm. In the US, you'll typically need the child's birth certificate or social security number, the adult's ID and SSN, proof of address, and signatures. For custodial investment accounts, brokerages will also ask for the child's SSN and the custodian's ID and tax info. In Jamaica, look for junior accounts at big banks: Scotiabank's Primary Savings Junior, NCB's Start Account, JMMB Savings and Investment Plans, and youth accounts at credit unions. Each needs the usual documents and small opening deposits. Investment plans often have higher minimums. In the Caribbean, CIBC, Scotiabank, and First Caribbean have junior products. In the US, major banks and brokerages, PNC, US Bank, Bank of America, Capital One, Fidelity, and Vanguard, offer teen savings or custodial investment accounts. Compare fees, access, and online tools. Checklist to open an account: choose type, gather documents, birth certificate, parent ID, TRN/SSN, proof of address, confirm with the bank, apply online or in branch, make a deposit, set up auto transfers, and teach your child to manage it. Some banks let you open junior accounts online, but often opening for a baby needs an in-branch visit because original ID documents are checked. Investment accounts may be done online once you have your TRN and verified IDs. Ask the bank about remote options. Set up small automatic transfers so saving happens effortlessly. Pair with a simple budget, like 10% of gifts or 20% of allowance, to reliably build a nest egg. Use the account as a teaching tool, show them how balances grow, set short and long-term goals. Use visuals like a savings chart or sticker rewards. Make saving a positive, consistent habit. Now let's walk through two real examples you can copy, one in Jamaica and one for the US. If you deposit 1,000 Jamaican dollars per month at an average 5% annual return for 10 years, that grows to approximately 155,282 Jamaican dollars. That shows the power of steady monthly saving and compound interest. In the US, depositing $25 per month at an average 6% return for 10 years becomes about $4,097. Small amounts add up over time. The key is consistency and time in the market. Common mistakes include mixing the child's money with household funds, not reading terms, and ignoring fees. In the US, be aware of gift tax rules and custodial rules. In Jamaica, keep TRNs and documentation updated. Always ask the bank about tax reporting. Checklist in the description. It lists every document to bring: birth certificate, parent's ID, proof of address, TRNs, passport if available, and any source of funds documents for investments. Start one this week. Even a small first deposit helps. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which country you're in so I can help with local steps. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more money activities. See you in the next video, and remember, start small, start today.